Okay, here is a Honda Odyssey 2008 with this door problem that we've been trying to figure out what the heck it is. So hopefully it'll work right, but we'll see if it gets stuck. If you heard that weird noise, it opened fine. Here's where we usually have the problems, where it locks up. That is the correct operation of a door. Now, let's try. Notice how it didn't open up. This is the problem that we've been having, and the Honda mechanic, the specialized Honda mechanic at the dealership said that all you had to do was grease this little area down here, which is on the track, and lube up a couple other little track areas at the top. Obviously, he wanted to charge me $55 for this, and it is not right. So, here is the problem that I have found. Inside, we have this little contraption here. This